Alright, what is up YouTube? It's me, Marco Vader, and today, you could probably tell by the title of the video, we are doing quite of a different video. Yeah, so what we are doing today, we are basically making brownies. So, I know I said this in my last video, I'm gonna do a cooking video for when I get 80 subscribers, but I guess I'll do it now, and I can also do another one when I reach 80 subscribers, so I don't have to wait. So, I'm already messing up. Okay, I'm stick. Okay, I need an actual pan. I don't know where they at. Oh, I know. I need something deep. Oh, I don't know. I don't know if these are gonna work. I'm gonna try. I was gonna use a Python, but just to stay safe, then we're gonna need some oil. Alright, so let's put the pie to the side. Let's just put this in the microwave for 1 minute. Actually, we should not be putting it on a plate. We should put it in a bowl, because I know it's going to be flopping around. Okay. Alright, what is up YouTube? It's me, Marco Vader, and today we're going to be doing my very first cooking video. Yes, I only have gluten-free flour. The brownie mix. I'm not awake apparently, so I'm just going to spray this real quick. Okay, that's good. I think that's good enough. Put that aside, and then I'm just gonna open this. Looks like the butter is done. Woo! It's hot. Alright, so it's fully melted. Just gonna let that cool off for a bit. So let's get right into it. And if you guys are wondering how to make brownies, this video just might help you. I'm hoping. But I need scissors for this, so brownie mix does not go all over the place. Trust me, I made that mistake before, and it was not. Oh, come on. Alright, so you guys are probably wondering, you should wash your hands, and I'm like, heck yeah, that's a good idea. Well, I already washed my hands earlier, but why not do it now? Alright. Dry them off over here. Then now, this is for the sake of people that are like picky and be like, why are you using your bare hands for this? I'm gonna use some gloves just because I feel like doing that today. So, first step, gotta crack the. Okay, that was bad. Okay, that's one egg in the bowl. Ah! Do not need drip. Do not drip on me. Ew, gross. It feels weird using gloves, but at least your hands don't get dirty. Then I'm gonna gently pour this in. And yes, I already preheated the oven. I think that's good enough. Let's throw that out. And then pour the butter in. I hope I'm doing this right, because I remember doing this with my mom. She told me exactly what to do, and I'm like just here trying to remember everything. Gotta break the yolk, and then what we're gonna do is just mix it up, I guess. So I'll get back with you guys when it's fully mixed. So, yeah. Alright. I think it's pretty much fully mixed. It looks like really globbity gloop right now, but I'm hoping it turns out just right. So we're just gonna get this out of the way. So I'm gonna need to get a fork. This stuff is sticky as heck. So I'm just gonna put the globbity gloop in there. Just gotta spread it out. To those of you that are first time cookers, I highly recommend just doing something simple like a cake mix or a brownie mix. Because if you start out with something like really complicated, like angel food or something, so I think angel food would be pretty hard to make. Even though I love angel food cake, just saying, even though it'd be like, ew, that stuff's plain. I'm like, sometimes I like the plain stuff. But not a plain cheeseburger, because it's just weird. No offense to plain cheeseburger lovers. It's just, you do you and all that jazz. Because a lot of people ask me, what's your favorite flavor of ice cream? And I'm like, vanilla. They're like, what? And I'm like, yeah, why not? It's a good flavor. This is definitely gonna be the messy part. gotta smooth it. Hey. I'm gonna have to change my gloves after this. Hello? Get off of my fingers. A lot of people are like, don't get your gloves messy. I'm like, isn't it supposed to prevent your actual hands from getting messy? So you can get messy, but without getting messy. So this is gonna take a while. So I'll get back with you guys later. Alright, it is fully mixed and put in here. So right now, we're gonna put it in the oven and see how it turns out. I hope it turns out well, because if it doesn't, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. So let's do it. Alright guys, let's open this up here. Holy schnooks, that is hot as heck. Oh, it's 350 Fahrenheit right there. So let's put her in. Alright guys, so the brownies are officially finished. I already cut them, so you don't have to watch the part, because like, yes, since it's this way and I like them like kind of rectangular square, I decided to cut them this way. So I'm gonna take a little piece because these babies are hot as heck. So I really don't know. Just gonna pick that one. Ooh. Just gonna take a little piece for now. Are these good or are they blah? Oh, they're hot. Obviously. I give these a thumbs up. Oh! Them brownies are hot. Whew! Alright. Let's get into this video. If you would like more videos like this, leave your comments down below and leave a like if you like brownies. Or if you just like dessert. So, I think I burnt my tongue. Lovely. Anyway guys, peace.